Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create a text file using Terraform with variables. So for that we need two files with .tf extension. First we need main.tf file. Second, as we are going to check with variables, so we need variable.tf file. So we need to create these two files. Before that, I'm going to show you how to do this main.tf file. For that, we will check the syntax. So here is the syntax. You can go to the Google, check local file in Terraform. You can see the first link. You can see here, this is the local file resource. This is the default name you have to give like this, and foo is the general name. You can give any name here, and content in the file, what content you are going to add, you can give anything here with quotation, and file name, and where the file need to be created. So like this you can create it. So let's we try without variable first. So for that I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So I'm just copying, and I already have main.tf. This file I have, so I'm just saving this. So this is the path where you are going to create this one. So for that I already installed Linux. If you don't know how to install Linux, check my before video. So you once installed, you can check with terraform version. So here I installed Terraform 1.3.7 in the Linux AMD 64. So first I will create a directory. The directory name I am giving Terraform directory 001. So I'm moving into this directory. So you can see here I don't have any files. So first I'm going to create without variable. For that I'm creating main.tf file. So for that we need to mention the directory path where the file we going to create. So I am creating home under ec2-user underscore this directory I am going to create. So I need to mention this directory first. The file name I am going to give test.txt. So this is the simple text file. So just copy and create vi main.tf, insert, paste, and save the file. First give terraform init, so it will download the plugins. Then I'm clearing the screen. Terraform plan. So once I gave terraform plan, it going to create foo file. Inside the file the content name is foo exclamatory. This is the content going to create, and this is the directory permission and default permission, file permission also default permission. It's going to create home underscore ec2-user and terraform directory. Under that it's going to create this text file. So terraform apply auto prove. Once you gave this, it created some ID. So now I'm clearing the screen. You can see here the file got created. I created only main.tf file, and it executed the command. It now created test.txt. So tf state file, this is a different one. So this is the configuration file. When we do the execution, it will take a configuration and bring it to terraform.tf state file. So this is the file we have created, and you can check this with cat command, it having the content foo. So this is like we can normally create the file. So next we are going to do with a variable. So for that I am going to use this same file. So I'm going to create a variable.tf file. So in this I am going to mention variables. So the syntax is variable and file name. You can give anything here, whatever you like you can give, and opening the curly braces, and in that I'm going to mention file name is equal to, I'm going to mention this particular part. I just copy and paste this. So I'm just mentioning test2.txt, and this is the type is equal to string. So we have a different kind of variables, strings, boolean, numbers, like that. We can many kind of variables we having. So I'm just mentioning this is the string. So I gave a file name, and I mentioned it as string. Here you have to mention as default. So like that you need to declare the variable for file name. So next one more variable I am going to give, else you can drop it. I'm going to create content. So what content I am going to give, which is string. So this content I am going to mention. So this is the content you should call in the main.tf file. Same like you should call this file name, you should call in the main.tf file. So I am going to this file and resource local file, and the file name is foo2. So the content is variable dot, we have already mentioned content. So and then you have to mention the variable for file name, which is file name. You can give it as a different name also, file name 2, then you should mention here file name 2. So this is the main.tx file. So this is a simple file. So I'm just replacing this main.tf file. I cleared the old one and I pasted the new one. You can see here main.tx file I have done. So if you see here, we have only 3 files: main.tf, terraform.tf.state, text.net. So now I'm going to create variable.tf. So I gave insert. So I'm going to copy paste this one save. So now you can see here we have 4 files. I cleared the screen. Now I give terraform plan. So content, I'm going to give content as hello variable. So it is saying this foo will be destroyed because we are going to create another terraform is a immutable. So it going to add one and it going to destroy one. So it will destroy the foo file and it will create the foo2 file. So the content I gave before foo, now I gave hello variable. So this is the path. Before I gave test.txt, now I gave test2.txt. So again I clear the screen, terraform, apply. So again I give content hello variable. So yes, so you can see we got some ID. Now I cleared the screen, listed out. You can see here we got a test2.txt and test.txt file got destroyed. So this is the terraform.tfstate.backup, which is we have destroyed the previous configuration. The configuration has taken as the backup and the current configuration is in the terraform.tfstate, and we have a main.tf, variable.tf, and we have created the new file using the terraform with the variable that is test2.txt. So like this you can create a variables using the terraform. So if you like this video, subscribe, like the video, and please subscribe for the more videos. Thanks for the watching.